You never gotta be that lonely. You never gotta get that alone. All you gotta do is call me, and I will never let you go.
Yo, welcome to They Call Me Locksmith. And you know what, today's a special day, but before I start talking about what we're actually going to do today, I want to let you guys into something. The reasons for me doing these series is to let you guys into my world. Now, this could be from me DJing around the world, being in the studio, making a beat, making music, or doing something that I genuinely love and passionate about, the fitness game. Today, I'm training with an old friend, JayTrainz. And JayTrainz has come from the music industry, funny enough, now owning his own gym. PT Studio 1, right here in Hainault. Now he's going to be putting me through my paces. This guy is an awesome PT, as well as, you know, got the expertise that I don't have. He's going to be putting me through a back and ab session. Let's go see what he's got to offer.
You got the biceps for it though?
That's what they say, I've got the biceps for it.
That's the waistline though. Is that going to pull you down, bro? Is it going to pull you down? It's there though. Not bad, it's not bad.
This guy's getting me already.
I'm getting in his head already, look. I'm getting in his head already.
Jeez, he's in my head, he's in my head. Alright, Jay, talk us through this challenge that you're going to get me doing.
Okay, so the day we opened,
right,
I wanted to come up with some challenges.
Right.
And the one that no one has ever completed apart from myself, which sounds like I'm lying, but it's true, is we've got 12 bars. You jump up, do a pull-up, chin over, and then make your way along, do a pull-up, etc. You've got to get to the end, you can't drop down, you turn around on the end bar after you've done the last pull-up, and then on the way back, you've got to do a leg raise, toes touch the bar, etc., etc. Get back to the beginning.
Right, okay.
The last one to complete it is you get on there, your toes touch the red bar, and you've done it.
Toes touch the red bar.
12 pull-ups every run, then 12 back that way as well.
How about you shut up? All right, I'm down for it. You're going to give me a shout to go?
Whenever you're ready, bruv.
Whenever I'm ready.
You tell us whenever you're ready.
This challenge, what? I've got this in a bag. Are you mad? One.
Chin has to go over the bar. Fully extend on the chin up as well. Yeah. I think you got it. Remember, you can't touch the floor after this. You got to pull up. Get up, give you that. Now turn around on the bar. Now leg raises, toes up, and go along.
Jesus.
Yeah, toes up, come. Don't rely on momentum. If you get momentum, you're going to come down. Use your abs. You've done well. I told you it's hard, man.
Jeez. Wow. The worst thing is you think you got it, and halfway through it. Jeez.
It's the grip in it.
How are you doing that? Yeah, that's mad. So here we go. Here's the man himself, JayTrainz. We're about to do back and abs today. This guy is an absolute beast. So you're going to put me through my paces or what?
I'm going to test you today. I'm a fan and a friend. I've seen what you can do.
I'm a fan of you, and I can see what you can do.
That's a nervous laugh. I'm going to try and put you kind of out of your comfort zone, but still things that you know.
Wicked. No, I'm up for that.
So sometimes it's about different ways of training, different ways of doing movement. Same movements that you normally do, switch up the style.
A big thing about me training is that I think I know the techniques. Obviously, I haven't got the knowledge to get the technique right. So that's where you're going to help me out with today, yeah? Wicked. Let's do it.
First of all, wake up the lats, forearms, biceps, lower abs at the same time. So as you do your pull-up, you're going to bring your knees up at the same time.
Jeez.
Then fully extend.
We done yet or what?
See,
that's a madness.
So you do pull-ups, you do muscle-ups and things like that. Sometimes just slowing down the movement.
Yeah, totally.
Giving the muscles a chance to do a bit of work.
I definitely need to do that because I'm swinging a lot, so I need to get this right.
That's it. Like, you can even, like, I know people who do like untold pull-ups. 20, 30, rep them out, fast. Sometimes if you've been doing it for a while, then you just want to slow it down.
Right.
So then you can do like a 10-second pull-up where you're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then do the same thing on the way down.
Yeah, yeah.
So just start getting control. You feel it more in the lats.
Yeah, definitely.
And that's that thing, like you ever heard that kind of mind to muscle contraction?
Yeah.
So you're trying to hit, you're doing this for a reason. Why am I doing a pull-up? Because I want to work my lats, I want my biceps, etc. So focus on them areas, slow it down, and just keep your mind on the area you're trying to hit.
Sick.
So we'll do that next. Go. 2, 4, hold, and down, 5, 4, 3, 2, a little bit too fast. 1, ready? Yep. Go. Now slowly release as much as you can. Ready? Slowly. Slow. Done.
And there's me thinking, I'm good at pull-ups. Mind to muscle. All right, cool.
That is key. It's vital with every exercise.
Wicked.
Body weight, weights, whatever.
I'm ready to go, huh?
Bring one arm forward, just feel your abs. That's good, good shape. Yeah, just to there. Slow. Go, put it from there. Yeah, nice.
I'm dying out here. I'm not putting this on.
It's different.
It's different. It's not what I'm used to. And this is what this series is all about. It's about me jumping out of my comfort zone, training with experts like Jay, and just learning. And I'm talking because I'm trying to get a bigger break.
So, hold it. 3. 1, 2s. Put it down. 90s. 10. Come on, whip that. And again. Any more? Let's go back down again. Perfect. 1, 2, 1. Shoulders back. Let's go. 1, 2. Get a 5. 3. Lean over. Straighten your legs a bit more. So you're above it a bit more. Come on. One more. Yeah. 1. 2. Fully extend. 3. Stretch. 4. One more. Squeeze. Done.
Jesus.
Completely. Well done, man.
You make people do that? I feel like I'm in space. Obviously, at times, feel free to comment as well. My form was going.
Yeah, form's going to go. That's more of a, as it gets heavier,
Yeah.
that's just brute force.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to add that element. You need that bit of power, a bit of aggression. It's all, as I say, it's good to slow things down as well, but you know, sometimes you need to be aggressive and just go for it. As long as your back's, staying strong, you ain't getting no pain in your back or anything like that, then just...
That's it.
I'll say you're probably going to...
It is a forearm.
Forearm's going to go.
Killing me. I'm just like, what? Mate, it's a mad thing. It's a madness. Seriously. And I like the fact that you're here to do that, because you're there correcting me on my form. Give me that motivation to not stop. I wanted to give up like 3-4 times there. But I wouldn't hear the last of it, so you know. Are you telling me we're doing this again?
No, we're done with it.
No. I don't want to see that ever again.
Next up, another training system you've probably done in the past, everybody's done it, 21s. Technically known as matrix. So you've got drop sets, pyramids, all sorts of things like that, and then you've got the matrix style stuff, which is 777. But you can use it on any exercise. You can do squats, bench press, whatever you want, but most people don't do that. They don't think of it. They think of it just for biceps. So we're gonna do it on a pull down, go nice and wide on the grip. So you're gonna go 7 reps, half reps, just squeezing in there, 7 at the top, and then 7 all the way. Spin around and go into some more kind of advanced stuff. So the leg's gonna start out, you're gonna lift up, and then just push up, come down, extend. Yeah? The second set, you're gonna try and lift up, kind of more simultaneous.
Right.
Yeah? And then we'll see if you've got a full. See if you've got any of them in the tank. So they're the 3 stages.
I've forgotten the first one already.
Right, so from there, try not to arch from there. Straighten up, let your feet drop out. Straighten up, got a slight bend. That's a good effort. That's a good effort.
Let me come back next week for that one, boy. In there before, and mobility is shocking. I think I definitely need to work on. Oh, mate. Jay, we done?
Yeah, bro, that's us.
Right.
Smash it, we're done.
Thank you, man. We are here at PT Studio 1 with JayTrainz up here in Hainault. If you ever get a chance, check it out. Put me through my paces. We did a back ab session. Jay, give us a little roundup of what we've done today, bro.
So we started off with the pull-ups.
Yeah.
With the core. Added the core into it. Done super slow reps. Where you're only doing like a 10-second rep.
Yeah.
Done 3 reps in 30 seconds. We've done the bent over rows.
Yeah.
We've done the ab wheel, making sure positioning was right. We've done plenty of leg raises. Used some body weight. Forearms. We've done underhand chins.
Yeah.
We've done matrix 21s on a pull down. We've done leg raises, advanced leg raises, and then a pipe.
Yeah.
Finish on the sliders.
Hi, mate.
All the T-bar rows as well.
Oh, T-bar rows.
The whole pyramid.
Oh, I'm gonna have nightmares about this session, I'll tell you that.
I feel like there's so much more I want to do.
Oh, no. Hey, look, Jay, if anyone's out there who's interested in your session, interested in your gym, and I have to say it's a beautiful gym, so well done, congrats on that.
Cheers.
If they want to find you, how do they find you, man?
Social media, you can go to the website if you want to find a gym. It's www.ptstudio1.com. If you want to find me myself, I do online stuff as well.
Yeah.
Just all social media is just at JayTrainz with a Z. That's it.
Wicked, man. All right, look, that's a wrap. They call me Locksmith, they call him JayTrainz. We're out. Safe, brother.
Nice one.